Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this really awesome book that I have here. So this is called Babysitter's Little Sister. This is based off the Babysitters Club. It's a series of books for younger generation kids to read, great between the ages of 9 and 12. This one here is called Karen's Roller Skates. It's a really cute story about Karen getting a brand new pair of roller skates, but she kind of falls down and has to go to the hospital, and you get to read all the details of this story. It helps kids to see she has a cast, so you kind of get to read all about her hospital experience, her new roller skates. I love the bold coloring in this. I love that it looks like a comic, which is kind of cool. It makes it easy to read with my daughter. We'll pick squares and we'll pick characters and read in between each other, which makes it really fun. The coloring and illustration in this is really nice too. I love how they made the characters too, kind of like for a younger generation and comic-y. So this series is really nice. It's not too long to read. It's just a nice size book, but that's just my point of view.